Hello guys, welcome back again. I am John Fabian. Today I'm going to show you two methods on how to solve Facebook limited originality of content. Facebook limited originality of content is one of the basic issues that Facebook content creators are facing today in order to get their pages monetized on Facebook. For one, I have 4 Facebook pages, and all my 4 Facebook pages will be flagged for limited originality of content. And once I apply this method I'm going to review to you guys, I got my pages back. So I know this solution is going to help many people out there. That's why I'm making this video. So if you are new to this channel today, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you will not miss any video that I'm going to drop, because I'll be dropping similar videos like this. So now let's jump into my dashboard and let's start the deal. Alright guys, now we are into my dashboard. On your system, you just have to open a new browser and type in Facebook Creator Studio. Once you type in Facebook Creator Studio, it's going to land you on this page. On this page, you just have to search down, look for monetization, and see the policy you violated. Here you have monetization. We have to see the policy we violated. You have status. You see here they say no monetization breaches, but there is a monetization breaches because you cannot monetize. So now you have here policy issues. You see limited originality of content. With limited originality of content, your Facebook page cannot be monetized. And when you see here, they say request another review. This button is not active, so you cannot request a review. The button is not active. What you have to do here, you have to scroll down a little bit, and you have to know the reasons why your Facebook page is being flagged for limited originality of content. As you can see here, Joe Fabian, this is one of my page. Joe Fabian official shared content that was original or repurposed content from another source with limited added value. Your video may be claimed and monetized by the right holder. So what makes your page to be flagged for limited originality of content? Either the video was not being recorded by you, or you have parts of the videos that you take it from somewhere else. Either you have some clips, some sounds that you take from somewhere is not that you don't have the right, you don't have license to use that to use it. So in that case, it will be flagged for limited originality of content, or your content is having a low value. That is, you cannot just put yourself in front of the camera and just be recording and put on Facebook will not accept. Your video must be passing on information, that is content that will make people to like to watch. So that one comes under low value content. If your content, if you yourself you cannot like to watch your content, then maybe the next person will not like to watch your content. So you can be that you are talking about here. We are talking about contents that are attractive, create attractive content, and you on the content you have like the intro and the end video, the source of the video, like recorded by this blah 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 like that, and the end video, the authors, where it is being recorded. All those stuffs are very important when it comes to this aspect. So before making videos, you have to be very careful. If you need sounds for Facebook, you can go under creative tools. You take sounds from there. Don't take sounds from any source. If you take sounds from any source, make sure you have a license to that source in order to avoid this issue. And now to solve this issue, you have to click here, learn more. As I told you before, I'm going to show you two methods. This is the first method only. This is the first method, and this first method, this is what most YouTubers are talking about on YouTube. This is this method. Most YouTubers are talking about this one. The second method, I'm going to reveal to you later. When you are here, you click on continue. Click on continue. As you can see, they say a review was requested for limited originality of content. You will be notified when the review is completed, usually within 2 to 3 working days. I can assure you, your page can never be reviewed within 2 to 3 working days, because based on the corona issues nowadays, most companies are working with limited staff. For Facebook to review your content is going to take at least 1 week or two. Before submitting, you have to bear in mind you are going to wait for 1 week or two in order to get the review from them. So before you submit this review, make sure you go through your page, through all your content, and sort them out. For me, the best solution is to delete everything on your page. Delete everything. If you have an old page, then you can just like determine the time of which they flag your page. Maybe they flag your page between 1 week. So all the videos you make between that week, you have to delete them, or was flagged within 1 month. So all the videos you make within that interval, you just delete them before you submit an appeal. Don't submit an appeal without deleting the videos. If you don't know the exact video that caused the problem, please just delete everything before you submit an appeal. So now let's close this page and move on to the second method. And this second method really is going to work for you within a couple of days only. This method is going to work for you within a couple of days. Now let's click on learn more again. We scroll down, you see this one, rules for monetization. This one, many YouTubers are not talking about this. I just discovered this one on my own. I said, let me try. So I have to bring it to the public. I know many people are facing this issue. It's going to help you guys. So try this out. You see, they say rules for monetization. You click on rules for monetization. Rules for monetization is going to take you to this page. This is your Facebook manager. You scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. You are going to see this one. Submit an appeal. As you can see, it is highlighted. Submit an appeal. You click on submit an appeal. Submit an appeal, and it's going to take you again to the next folder. You come down again. You say, if you have lost access to your monetization future, please, you believe that you should be eligible, you may be able to submit an appeal. So now you click this one, submit an appeal. But please guys, before you submit this appeal, you have to create a new content. Don't create a content that you deleted from your Facebook page again. Don't go and upload a video that you deleted from your Facebook page. All the old videos, don't put any. Create a new content that is engaging, attractive, entertaining, and informative. When you create that type of video, when you land to this page, you see we have partner monetization policy. Partner monetization policy refers to your page. You are appealing for your page because the page was being flagged for limited originality of content. But this one, I don't think this one works anymore. This one doesn't function anymore because I tried that one before. What is functioning now is content monetization policy. You come on content monetization. Content monetization policy means a piece of content on your Facebook page was being flagged for limited originality of content. So you are appealing for that piece of content. So when you appeal for that piece of content, the video you make, you upload the video and you come here, you click on the second one, content. Therefore, you are appealing for a piece of content that was being flagged on your page. Here, you have to put the URL. That is the link of your page. You copy the link of your page, you paste it here. You copy the link of your page, you paste it here. If you don't know how to copy a link of a page, drop a comment in the comment section below. I'm going to make a video about that. And also here, you copy the link of the video that you just posted. Copy the link of the video that you just posted and paste it here. If you don't know how to copy the link of the video you just posted, just leave a comment on the comment section below. I'm going to make a video about that. When you copy the link of the video, you paste it here. You now click send. Once you click send, you just sit back and wait for their review. That is the deal. This one, I have not seen any content creator on YouTube that is making a video about this one. Try this one, you are going to thank me later. And if this video have helped you a lot and you are not subscribed to this video, to this channel, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss any video that I'm going to drop in the nearest future. So that's it, guys. If you have enjoyed the video and you have any related issue concerning Instagram, Facebook, YouTube and TikTok monetization, please kindly drop in the comment section below so that I can make a video regarding that. Thank you very much and see you in my next video. Ciao.